This unique beach is not just a place to relax, but also a cultural landmark featuring Antony Gormley's Another Place art installation. The series of life-sized iron statues stretch along the coast, gazing out to sea, creating a hauntingly beautiful scene. Visitors can take long walks along the sand, explore the nearby Marina Lake, or enjoy the view from one of the cozy cafes overlooking the beach. It's a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Manchester City, Formby Beach. Just a short drive from Manchester, Formby Beach offers a peaceful retreat away from the urban sprawl. This National Trust-protected site is famous for its extensive dunes and rare wildlife. Nature lovers can enjoy scenic walks through the pine woodlands, which are home to the UK's endangered red squirrels. The expansive sands are perfect for a quiet day of beachcombing, birdwatching, or simply enjoying a picnic with a view of the Irish Sea. It's a perfect blend of natural beauty and tranquility. Chelsea, West Wittering Beach. A bit of a journey from Stamford Bridge, but well worth the trip. West Wittering Beach offers a beautiful expanse of golden sand and crystal clear waters.